Hello students, this is Botany Ramaya. Today I am going to explain about chemical composition of virus. A virus is composed of two major parts. They are capsid and nucleic acid. So it is referred to as nucleocapsid. So here point is virus is made up of protein coat and nucleic acid. Now capsid. It is outer protein coat. That is called capsid. This is capsid. The capsid gives shape to the virus and provides a protective covering for the genome, that is nucleic acid. This is nucleic acid. This nucleic acid is protected by a protein coat that is called capsid. The capsid is made up of a protein subunits of identical size. They are called capsomeres. This is capsid, and this capsid is made up of a protein subunits of identical size. They are called capsomeres. Capsomeres possess antigenic properties. The capsomeres are arranged in helical or polygeometric forms. Polygeometric forms. Some of the virus have an outer covering that is called envelope. So this envelope is present outside the capsid. Outside the capsid, they are called enveloped viruses. So enveloped viruses means some of the viruses have an outer covering called envelope. They are called enveloped viruses. HIV, herpes virus, and influenza virus are examples for enveloped viruses. This envelope is composed of proteins, lipids, and carbohydrates. My dear students, capsid is made up of proteins. Envelope is made up of proteins, lipids, and carbohydrates. The smaller subunits of envelope are called peplomers. My dear students, the subunits of capsid are called capsomers. Capsid is made up of proteins. The smaller subunits of envelope are called peplomers. This envelope is made up of proteins, lipids, and carbohydrates. Enveloped viruses are roughly spherical, means enveloped viruses are spherical in shape. The viruses which do not possess envelope are called naked viruses or non-enveloped viruses. In some viruses, such as measles virus. The envelope contains glycoprotein projections known as spikes. The spikes function in attaching the virus to receptors on susceptible host cells. Now, nucleic acid. The nucleic acid forms the central core. Nucleic acid is only one, that is either DNA or RNA. The nucleic acid represents the genetic material of virus. So here, important point is the genetic material of virus is either DNA or RNA. Generally, plant viruses have single-stranded RNA. Generally, plant viruses have single-stranded RNA. But in cauliflower mosaic virus and potato leaf roll virus, DNA is present. Animal viruses have single-stranded or double-stranded RNA or double-stranded DNA. Viral nucleic acid molecules are either circular or linear. So, the genetic material in viruses is either circular or linear, whereas in bacteria, genetic material is circular. Most of the viruses have a single nucleic acid molecule, but a few have more than one. For example, HIV, which has two identical molecules of RNA representing its genomic copies. Only some viruses are detected in viruses. Only some enzymes are detected in viruses, such as lysozyme in bacteriophages, transcriptase in vaccinia virus, and reverse transcriptase enzyme and DNA or RNA polymerase in retroviruses. Generally, enzyme system is absent in viruses, but in some viruses, enzymes are detected. They are lysozyme enzyme in bacteriophage, transcriptase enzyme in vaccinia virus, reverse transcriptase enzyme, and DNA or RNA polymerase in retroviruses. In tobacco mosaic virus, 5% RNA, 95% protein is present, whereas in influenza virus, 10% RNA and 90% protein is present. The next one is nucleic acid in viruses and number of strands. My dear friends, single-stranded RNA in tobacco mosaic virus, rabies virus, polio virus, measles virus, influenza virus, mumps virus, HIV, foot and mouth virus, Rous sarcoma virus, The genetic material is single-stranded RNA. My dear students, మీకు ఇక్కడ నేను చిన్న కోడ్ ఒకటి ఇచ్చాను మీరు ఈజీగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవటానికి. సింగిల్ స్ట్రాండెడ్ ఆర్ఎన్ఏ జెనెటిక్ మెటీరియల్గా ఏ వైరస్లో ఉంటుందని చెప్పేసి ఒక చిన్న కోడ్ ఇచ్చాను చూడండి. టిఆర్పి మీరు వినే ఉంటారు, టెలివిజన్ రేటింగ్ పాయింట్. టిఆర్పి, దిస్ ఈస్ ద కోడ్. టి, టొబాకో మొజాయిక్ వైరస్. ఆర్, రేబిస్ వైరస్. పి, polio virus. Then next one is MIM. ఇది ఒక పొలిటికల్ పార్టీ హైదరాబాద్ లో MIM పార్టీ. MIM, M మీజిల్స్ వైరస్. I ఇన్ఫ్లుయెంజా వైరస్. M మమ్స్ వైరస్. నెక్స్ట్ కోడ్ ఈజ్ HRF, హ్యూమన్ HRF stands for I think మనకి హ్యూమన్ రైట్స్ ఫౌండేషన్. హ్యూమన్ రైట్స్ ఫౌండేషన్ కోడ్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి ఇక్కడ. HIV. R, రావ్ సార్కోమా వైరస్. అండ్ F, foot and mouth virus. So these are the codes. So in tobacco mosaic virus, rabies virus, polio virus, measles virus, influenza virus, and mumps virus, HIV, foot and mouth disease, mouth virus, Rous sarcoma virus, RNA, single-stranded RNA acts as genetic material. Now, second one is double-stranded RNA. In Rio virus, rice dwarf virus, bacteriophage Pi6, blue tongue virus, maize rough dwarf virus, wound tumor viruses, double-stranded RNA acts as genetic material. My dear students, ఇక్కడ కూడా మీకు ఒక చిన్న కోడ్ ఇచ్చాను గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవడానికి. RRB, రైల్వే రిక్రూట్మెంట్ బోర్డు. R, రియో వైరస్. ఇంకొక R, రైస్ డ్వార్ఫ్ వైరస్. B, బ్యాక్టీరియోఫాజ్ Pi6. The next one is BMW. BMW కారు మీకు ఐడియా ఉండే ఉంటుంది. ఇది కోడ్ని గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. B, బ్లూ టంగ్ వైరస్. M, మైజ్ రఫ్ డ్వార్ఫ్ వైరస్. W, wound tumor virus. The next one is single-stranded DNA. In M13 bacteriophage, E. coli phage, coliphage, pi into 174, single-stranded DNA is genetic material. Here, code is MEC group. M30 bacteriophage, E. coli phage, and third one is coliphage, pi into 174. Now, double-stranded DNA. In T2, T4, and T6 bacteriophages, herpes virus, coliphage T3 and T7, smallpox virus, cauliflower mosaic virus, adenovirus, chickenpox virus, papilloma virus. Double-stranded DNA acts as genetic material. Here code is T2, T4, T6 bacteriophages లో డబుల్ స్టాండర్డ్ డిఎన్ఏ జెనెటిక్ మెటీరియల్గా ఉంటుంది. నౌ కోడ్ ఈజ్ హెచ్సి, హై కోర్ట్. హెచ్ herpes virus, C coliphas T3 and T7. Next code is SC, Supreme Court 2. S smallpox, cauliflower. C cauliflower mosaic virus. Now ACP, code is ACP. హై కోర్టులో, సుప్రీం కోర్టులో సెక్యూరిటీ కోసం ఏసీపీని పిలిచారు. ఏసీపీ హియర్ ఏ ఎడినో వైరస్, సి చికెన్ ఫాక్స్ అండ్ పి ప్యాపిల్లోమా వైరస్. ఇలా మీరందరూ కోడ్ రూపంలో గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే ఏ వైరస్లో ఏ జెనెటిక్ మెటీరియల్ ఉంటుందని చెప్పేసి ఈజీగా మీకు గుర్తుండిపోద్ది. మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మరియు పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని కనుక క్లిక్ చేసినట్లయితే నేను చేసే ఫర్దర్ వీడియోస్ మీ అందరికీ నోటిఫికేషన్ రూపంలో వస్తాయి. Thank you.